In this video, I want to speak about US 100 and I'll make a technical analysis on this pair from the H4 time frame, and then we can spot opportunity from lower time frame. So here in the H4 time frame, what I'm going to do is to mark out key levels, okay, that we are going to work with. Then I can go to lower time frame like the 1 hour where I can spot immediate trend for opportunity. So before I go into the technical analysis, if we look at the screen here, we can see that today we have some economic report coming up, and today we anticipate the release of GDP, and we know GDP to be the monetary value of all the goods and services produced within the country's border in a given period of time. And today we have the report for quarter over quarter, the second estimate. So we have the previous report to be 0.5, the forecast is 3.1, and the actual is the expectation that we anticipate to be released. So when we look at the market, first of all, from the technical standpoint, we can see that here price is finding a support at the area of $22,992 level. So we can see how price is making equal lows. Here has been a rebounding point. From that level, all this move to the upside was created. So if we clone this, we have this local uptrend that was previously developing in this market, which is now broken to the downside. And as it got broken to the downside, as we see here, price rebounded again for the second time, as we can see here, around the $22,940 level. So as it rebounded, it started to develop another local bullish trend, as we can see. Okay, but right now what we can notice is that price is getting rejected at some point. So we can see this level here. We can also see this level at this area. Let me mark it a resistance level. Okay, so we can see that the market is finding it difficult to break through. So we saw how price tried to break through that level but got rejected, as you can see from this candlestick. So is that a reversal candlestick? That's what we ask ourselves. Are we likely going to see a decline from this current price, since we are seeing a spinning top around that level? Okay, so that is the question that we are asking ourselves. Are we going to see a break through that level, or we are going to see a rejection that can lead to price falling back to this support level? Okay, so with that being said, we need to check one time frame lower to help us understand better what the market stands to do, since we have seen, or we've marked out the major structures. So we have here as the support, we have here as a possible pullback resistance. That is, if price hold at that level, then it's going to serve as a possible pullback resistance. So let's check the 1 hour time frame. Here we are on the 1 hour time frame. Now I am currently holding a sell position in US 100, and here is why I feel price is going to drop from there. We can observe that from the 1 hour time frame, prices has been trying so hard to sell from that area. As we can see, it tried the first time, it pushed down the second time, and just before market closed yesterday, we saw another strong push. So all of these things are reactions and signals that is indicating that there could be a possible sell from that zone. Okay, so from the 1 hour time frame, what validated my sell entry was visualizing this candlestick. Let me highlight it. Okay, visualizing this candlestick, this spinning top that I saw in the H4 time frame. Okay, so when I visualized it from the 1 hour time frame here, I discovered that it was able to break to the downside. Okay, it was able to shift the market structure. Okay, so we see that it was able to shift to the downside. That's when I saw that what is currently happening now with a couple of hours ago that I see that price is pulling back. I see that that is just a simple pullback, okay, just a mere pullback to the resistance level. So I anticipate a sell opportunity to develop from this current price, and that is why I open a short position. So I've seen that the spinning top candlestick reversal pattern that I saw in the H4 time frame already caused a market shift, okay. So that means that there could be a sell opportunity from this current price, and right now we are selling, and my target profit for this trade is just this level here. And why did I choose that price zone? If we use our line chart just for clarity, we can see that there is equal low around that level just before the support area that we envisaged from the H4 time frame. So I believe price is going to drop down to that level, and that's why I chose that level as my take profit level. So that's the analysis on US 100 ahead of today's GDP report.